Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master. So in today's video I thought I would share with you a little gadget that I've been given, and I've been using it for around 2 months now and I really do love it, and it's the JOVS Blacken DPL, which is direct pulse light. Now it's an at-home gadget device, and what it does, it really does help with pigmentation and redness and acne, radiant skin, and also boosts a bit of collagen there as well. So it's a really good little gadget here. Now what I'm going to do is demonstrate it for you. So it does come with a box, you can see here, with all its leads, and also we have some glasses here. Really important to place those on. So first of all, we're just placing the glasses on, and it does actually have a sapphire ring here, if you can see that, and it's sort of to help cool the surface, and that will really help the epidermis cool, so because you do radiate heat. On the side here we press it once to just get it going, and can you hear everything, just keeping everything nice and cool. So again, quite a fairly high grade. Now we're applying this to clean skin, so by pressing, and it will naturally start to just penetrate light, and you don't want to overdo the skin, you don't want to keep going over, so just separate areas, and it doesn't take too long at all. And I tend to do this literally 2-3 times a week. Now you want to use it on the facial area but not on the neck, and also obviously avoiding eyes. I think the only time I wouldn't use this is if I had sensitive skin, otherwise it really does help, and it really does. I've noticed a big difference in pigmentation. And you just keep going all the way along, and you can feel the heat, but obviously it's cool. And then you just turn it off. Once you've finished with our DPL, you want to apply a nice hydrating mask to the skin. You don't want to wash the face in hot water, you don't want anything irritating, and you want to obviously leave off things like retinols for a good 24 hours. So that's the DPL. Again, absolutely loving it. Tell me how you get on in the comments down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.